Now, Sanket More says, I recently graduated and just started with my career. I started with SIPs partly in a blue chip fund and an ELSS fund. I have also opted for term insurance. Which instruments do you suggest I should invest more in? Right now, only 10% of my salary goes into investments.
Oh, well, first of all, congrats to him for starting early. That itself gives him a tremendous advantage and the benefits of which he would realize in the years to come. So that's half the battle won already. Now, in terms of investments, I would say he should first look at ELSS funds and look to exhaust his 80C tax saving limit to the extent, of course, it fetches him tax exemption. Now, once he's exhausted his ELSS limit, then he can look at funds like multi-cap funds. And really the idea is to focus on not more than 3-4 funds. That should be more than adequate for him to build out a reasonably diversified portfolio. The other important thing I would suggest to him is that make sure it's a good start that he has made, but make sure that he keeps increasing his SIP amounts with the increments to his salary. Because often what can happen is somebody makes a right start, but in the subsequent years, those amounts do not increase proportionate with the proportionate increases in the salary. He should avoid doing that and continue to make regular increments to his investing amount as well. And with that, my best wishes to him.